Hi everyone, Natasha here, and around my home today I am in the kitchen. It is Tuesday, let's see, February 26th, I think, and I am here just to show you the couple of items that I've decluttered for the last few days. Also, I wanted to mention, I don't think I really explained this well in my intro video, but I've decided to do my decluttering, my one item per day decluttering on Monday through Friday. Partly because I'm starting kind of early, not that I couldn't do more, but just to make it easy on myself and make sure I keep up with it. So that way we'll be done just as we're getting into that last week before Palm Sunday and Easter season. So anyway, do it however you want to do it. I know Diane's doing every single day for 40 days. You know, whatever works. There's no real hard and fast rule here. Just keep decluttering, right? So anyway, on that note, let me show you what I have found to declutter. So I checked with my husband, and this is a little ashtray that my stepdad got. I'm pretty sure it's from Mexico, but I can't remember the whole story. I want to say he got it like in the 60s or 70s when he was on a trip down there, or maybe stationed and ended up there. I don't remember. He was in the military, so he traveled some, but it's, you know, just not our taste. We don't really have anywhere for it. My husband or I, neither of us smoke. He, you know, maybe once a year at the most we'll have a cigar, but just not something we need. So we're going to pass that on. This is another one. I need to double check with my husband, but I found a box of picture frames because I was looking for one for a different thing, and I'll share that with you in a different video, my FlyLady video. But this used to hang in the house that my husband built when I had met him. That's where he was living. And he kind of had a bathroom that was this, you know, sort of palm tree theme. So I'm just going to double check with him because he did purchase it, and that, I guess, sort of belonged to him before me. But we've never hung it up since we've lived in this house. Now it's coming on 6.5 years, so I'm pretty sure we don't need it. I think our tastes have changed, but I'll confirm with him before I let that go. I came across this, which is, so quickly I'll try to explain it. I have an interior design degree. When I was in school for interior design, I helped out with the resource library, and this was a sample of, I think it was a laminate sample. So you could get this for walls or things like this if you wanted to frame it. But anyway, it's magnetic, and I think you can write on it with chalk too. So I thought, oh, this will work great, I'll frame it. Well, I've never hung it up, and I don't really have a place that I need it. So I think I can let that go. What else? And I actually was looking for an 8x10 frame. So if this color works right, I may end up even just taking that laminate piece out of the frame and using the frame for the photo I want to frame, but we'll see because I have some other ones. Now this one actually I would like to hang up or put out. This is not that great of a photo, but it's a photo that I took one day when we were camping up on our family. My grandparents' farm is like 360 acres, and they have a bluff area where we camp sometimes. So this was a photo I took up there on a misty morning. And anyway, just, you know, again, not that great of a photo, but I kind of like what it is and the memory from it. So that actually I found, and I want to hang that up or put that out somewhere because that is still part of our current life and something I would enjoy looking at. And this one, I think this is a bridge in the nearest town. Yes, so this is a photograph of a bridge in the larger city that's near me, or nearest to me. And I think I got it at an auction. I actually do like it, and it's just been sitting in a box. So again, I'd like to put that out somewhere and enjoy it, or, you know, in an area where other people can look at it too, whoever comes to visit, that kind of thing. So I'm not getting rid of too many things well, I have 3 things on my stack there that I'm getting rid of, so that's good. Oh, wait, there's more. I totally forgot about this bag right there. So that was the other thing. All right, so then I was in the basement, you know, my new favorite place to go hunting around for something to declutter, and I found basically it's just a bunch of old like t-shirts, dresses, pajama bottoms, just random stuff. So I looked through it briefly, and I think there might be one or two of the shirts that my nieces might wear, either just as like, you know, knock around shirt or whatever. So I'm going to double check with them on that. But other than that, the rest of them are really rags, or they could be donated to like the, you know, Humane Society for bedding. I mean, they're just not really worth, they're not even worth goodwill. So that whole bag I will get out of here as well. So that's pretty good for 2 days worth of decluttering. And I, again, feel glad just to get something done and find a few more things to get rid of. And hopefully you're doing the same. So let me know in the comments down below if you've managed to declutter a few more items, and if you're jumping on this 40-day declutter challenge with me, or just doing some decluttering in general. Also, let me know if you're doing Diane in Denmark's challenge, which she's doing it as a habit challenge, so you can do that as well. So she's just picking 1 or 2 habits that she's working on every day for the 40 days. So I know she's doing the decluttering, but she's also doing exercise, so 1 day or 1 form of exercise per day. So anyway, thanks for joining me today. I hope you are moving along and making life a little better every day as we go. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button down below if you like these kinds of videos, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.